Today we are making mutton pizza. This is a very delicious recipe. Before we start the recipe, please subscribe to our channel, Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. For this recipe, the ingredients are plain flour 400 grams, salt half teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, water 1 cup, oil 2 grams and yeast 10 grams. Now add the yeast into a bowl. Add lukewarm water 200 milliliters. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt, now mix it together properly. After mixing it together well, add a little bit of more water. After this, add this mixture to 2 cups of plain flour. This is to make the pizza dough. Now make the dough by properly mixing it together with your hands. Mix it together well with your hands until it is not lumpy and the dough forms. This is a very delicious pizza recipe. It is similar to our other pizza recipe, but it is also different because we are using mutton instead. Now keep aside the dough for 2 hours. Now let's prepare the mutton for the pizza. Here are the ingredients to make the mutton for the pizza. Here we have made apart small pieces of mutton. You will also need spices: red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder and red chilli flakes. You will also need ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and yogurt. Then you will also need oil. Mix all of these spices into the yogurt, then add it into the mutton pieces and then marinate it. Before marinating it, remember to mix it properly with your hands. After mixing it, keep aside for marination for 1 hour. After it is marinated, cook it. Now it is time to make the pizza. First, knead the dough till it is not sticky and it is smooth. Cover the dough in flour and then roll it out with a rolling pin to make the pizza base. Make sure the crust is not too thick for the pizza. After this, we will add the pizza sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of the pizza sauce and spread it evenly around the pizza. You can use more pizza sauce if needed. Now on top, sprinkle the cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. It is preferring to your taste. Here we have added a good amount of cheese. It will make the pizza very delicious. After this, on top, add the cooked pieces of mutton. This is what makes the pizza a very delicious mutton pizza. After this, we are adding more cheese on top of the mutton so that the pizza is properly layered. On top here we have added peppers and onions. This will make the pizza taste very delicious. You can add any other toppings that you like on pizza. It is your choice, but here are what we have added. Here we are adding olives to the pizza. After this, we are sprinkling oregano on top. The pizza is now ready. Now it is time to bake it in the oven. It's a very tasty pizza recipe. It is just as delicious as our other one. Here we have also made another pizza using the same mutton, but this time we have made it in a different shape. You can do this as well. Both of these pizzas are delicious. If you have not already tried this recipe, you should definitely try it, as you will never regret it and everyone in your family will love it. Now let's actually bake the pizza. We are going to bake it for 20 minutes on 250 Fahrenheit. The pizza will be ready after 20 minutes. Alhamdulillah, the pizza is ready and is very delicious. But before serving it, let it cool down for some time. Both of our pizzas are now ready and have cooled down slightly so that it does not burn us. Now cut it into slices and serve it to your friends and family. They will all love it as it is a very tasty pizza recipe. Make sure if you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'm very sure that they'll love this pizza recipe. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you never miss anything in our channel. Also check out our new community page in our channel sections. You can find all the ingredients to our recipes in the description boxes down below. Also make sure to give your opinions on our recipes in the comment section. We hope you are safe. We hope you are happy, and we hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you have enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like and leave your comments saying that you enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz, we hope you enjoy this recipe and that you are doing well at home.